Hello, welcome back to my channel BaoGN. Today I will guide you on how to use VPN. If you find this video useful, please press like and subscribe to the channel. Firstly, go to the Play Store and search for the keyword VPN. You can use the software I use below, which is VPN. Here, I have installed it, but if there is an update, I will update it immediately. After installation, I will click Open. You will then click on Best Location. Next, select a country you want to connect to. In this case, I will choose Singapore. The application will then notify you that the connection is successful. We will check it on the browser, and we will see that our IP has been changed to Singapore, which means it is successful. When you want to turn off VPN, just click here to turn it off, and everything will return to normal. Wish you success.